In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Grammarly to improve your English writing in just 1 minute. So open any web browser, then type Grammarly, open official link, add to Chrome. Now sign up with Google. And after that, customize and select options as your requirement. Click on continue to Grammarly. It's free. Now copy and paste your document text here or open your own document on Google Docs or on your website, blog, anyway. So you can use Grammarly on your laptop or PC anyway. And you can correct your text like this. So hopefully guys, you like this video. By these simple steps, we can know how to use a Grammarly extension for correcting and improving the English writing. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video useful for you or not.